Hey you guys, happy holidays. It's DVDana22. So today I'm here with a video. I had got some magazines in the mail and I just want to say thank you. I got two magazines in the mail. HGTV magazine. And I really like HGTV because they do a lot of giveaways. They do like house giveaways with a vehicle. And I just want to say thank you. Keep these magazines coming to me because this is really nice. And they sent, and I also got a Shape magazine. These two magazines are really nice. I would just want to say thank you. I really like HGTV. Hopefully, I win one of their giveaways. Hopefully, hopefully. So I'm just coming on here to say happy holidays to you and yours, and God bless. I love you guys. Bye bye.